In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the background from a photo using ChatGPT and replace it with a stunning sunny beach scene. With just a few simple steps, you'll be able to transform any photo into a beautiful creation with a different backdrop, perfect for crafting unique images for social media or personal projects. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you need to open ChatGPT. This is where all the magic happens. Head over to chat.openai.com and log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, simply sign up. It's a straightforward process. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, ready to initiate your creative journey. Now that you're logged in, the next thing you want to do is start a new chat. Look over to the sidebar and you'll see an option that says New Chat. Go ahead and click that, as it'll set the stage for your image editing task. This ensures your work is fresh and distinct, so that you have a clean slate to begin with. Once your new chat is open, it's time to upload the photo you want to edit. To do this, look for the Attach or Upload icon right below the message box. It usually looks like a paperclip. Click on this icon and you'll be prompted to choose the photo you want to modify. Make sure the picture you select is the one you wish to transform by removing its background. With your image uploaded, it's time to send a prompt that tells ChatGPT precisely what you want to do. Here's a handy example prompt you can use. Remove the background from this photo and replace it with a sunny beach scene. Make the edges clean and realistic. This command is essential because it specifies exactly what transformation you're looking for and ensures the AI comprehends the task. Clear, thorough instructions are crucial here, as they provide guidance on achieving the best results. The AI will get to work, processing your request to edit the photo as specified. It's fascinating how it interprets your input and performs the task, turning your vision into reality. Once the process is complete and you're satisfied with how the image looks with its new beachy background, the next and final step is to download it. Be sure to carefully examine the final result to ensure everything looks as expected. Natural and seamless edges with that sunny beach vibe. If it looks perfect, go ahead and download it to your device. And there you have it. You've successfully transformed your photo with a vibrant new background using ChatGPT. Don't forget to put your creativity to use and explore different scenes you might want to try in the future. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.